Yo, Toe! What is the scene? It's your boy Chef back again with another video, man. As you can see from the title and the thumbnail, we is in the M2 ski. It's a beautiful day out here in New York City, so I said, fuck it. Let's pick up the camera, let's make a little video, feel me? I'm currently on my way to a spot. My boy with me, he about to take some flicks of the car. The car not really clean, but my boy said, fuck it. He got a new camera. This him right here. He got a new camera. He said, fuck it. Let's take some flicks of the V. So I said, I bet. But yeah, that's what we about to get into right now. Hope everybody been good, yo. Shout out my boy. Look, Pete.
This shit about to be crazy.
Yes, sir. We here. Nigga, did I just catch that? 340 just hopped on this shit, started bugging, nigga. The fuck? Yo, these BMWs niggas, man, I see why we get a bad name, bro. These niggas be bugging. These niggas genuinely be bugging. Overly whooping. Overly whooping. But yeah, man, like I said, make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. Yo, your boy Chef, yo, I've been slacking, man. I ain't drop a video in about like a week. Nah, I'm trying like 5 days, feel me? But I'm here right now catching this content for you. My fault, bro. I just been busy and shit, feel me? Working and shit. Lifing and shit. You know how that go. But yeah, I'm gonna try to drop a video every day this week. I'm gonna try my best. But again, make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. All that good shit. But you're a monster. But yeah, facts. I'll probably pick up the camera when I'm at the spot. Out here causing havoc in the residential neighborhoods. He's a monster. Fuck, I gotta fucking fix that, bro. I got mad garbage in the car and shit. The fuck, man? The fuck, man? He's a monster. In the residential neighborhoods with it, chat. It's actually really nice out here, boy. I'm not gonna lie to nobody. Dumb nice out here. What the fuck is going on here? Nigga dropped all the groceries out the V? Oh. The D boys was over there watching. Trying to catch one. No sir, no sir. Damn, boy. I'm seeing police lights and stuff up there. Now what the fuck is going on up there though, for real? Police over there, lights on, GG's in the chat. Need a car wash. Brakes is squeaking. Oh brother. Oh brother. Alright, chat. Don't mind me. We just got to the spot though. Little water view. Go over here flicking it up. Boy Papa Sauce just reached. Papa Sauce, oh bye. Oh bye. Oh bye. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, Pepper. That thing look kind of good. So you know I had to get in the cam. That shit fake look good. Yeah, it's unlocked. Yo, you want me to take off the steering wheel?
I'm gonna let me 5 you lift it up. How you be having that shit lifted? Alright, chat. Took a few photos of the fucking car. They came out pretty good. I'll probably post them on my Instagram. If y'all don't know, make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all of that shit. You know what I mean? It's all the same thing as my YouTube, Chef Mate Lab. So make sure y'all go follow me on all the medias. Make sure y'all boys subscribe, man. I'm almost at 1,000, man. I think I need like 100 subs more. But yeah, man, we almost there. We grinding for it. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, all of that shit. Whoa. It's a nice day, but it's getting a little chilly out here. I ain't gonna lie. It's getting a little chilly. Boom. Exhaust is fucking dumping, boy. What the fuck? Oh my god, I need a wash. I need a wash. Fuck it though, we still good though. We here. I need to clean out the inside of the car too. Shit like that. Yeah.
Yo.
Yo, what's going on?
What's the scene?
What's good? What's good?
Busy, man.
Who's this?
Hi.
How you doing?
That's Sammy. That's Sammy.
Sammy, what's going on, man? What you talking about? Fuck you talking about?
I only got 500. Count with me, cause y'all too much going on. You keep getting distracted.
One.
I'm money counting at this point.
Two.
Bro, I'm about to pull over. Bro, 150, shop 150. Four. I thought I was only 20 years.
I just put J in case somebody asks who money back.
7. Hold up. But I get what you're saying.
In case somebody asks, bro, somebody wins.
How you get a band? That's 9. It's 9? You said it was a band? Count this. It was a band in here, right? The 20 is supposed to be a band, right? It was 20s in the 250. 250. Nah, bro, fine.
He's a real cook.
Money, bro. Just count 15. Yeah, I'm thinking. They threw it out. You gotta get back to fake. You try to take money out. They don't. No. You don't look on no?
Yeah, we have a flag. Who's calling, sir? Darty. For what?
Alright.
For a lane or?
I'm calling right now? Yeah. For what? You just took out the blue. No, what's this one for? For lane. Guard.
Lane?
Yeah.
Ready?
Tails. Come on, Dottie got it.
Dottie got it.
You feel me? Dottie got it.
Dottie got it.
Let's get it.
That's heads, man. Dottie ain't got it.
That's heads?
Yeah. That's heads, bro.
What is that?
That was heads.
Nah, that shit for on heads again. Nah, that shit.
Yo, I mean, it's for me. I got lane. Yo, flip it in. I got it on record.
Nah, it's not heads.
So we got ready.
Exactly, landing on this, that's tails. Yes, it did. That shit landing on that, nigga. No, it landed on. I got it right here. It landed on that. That's tails. Flip it. That's landing on heads. Oh, landing on heads, bro. I landed on heads. I got the video right here.
Charles.
What you saying?
Heads again.
Oh yeah, he said tails.
I did.
Yes, we got ready.
Somebody said heads is coming out.
Oh, we got another 100. Fuck it, we got 48.
We just took money out.
Stop playing.
Bro, we just took the money out.
We got 48.
I just took bread out.
Yeah. Add it back.
Just put it back.
All right, y'all.
We got 48.
All right.
48.
Yo. 100 back. Like, bro, what the fuck? You gotta keep it.
Yo, nigga, this shit dope, bro. Not to take me serious. No, they got you 40. They don't have another 100? Dead ass, bro.
They don't got enough, my brother.
Y'all don't have another 100?
They don't got enough, my brother. Pull out an extra $100.
It's $100.
No, we got
I can't believe I was in this league. I personally wasn't. He wasn't. But I was.
Yeah, he was. Yeah,
But I'm with the winner circle now, so that's all that matters.
Oh, if you pre
Also, we don't promote drinking.